Everyone, how are you? Today is Monday and the date is 13th of April 2020. Today we are going to take lesson 12.6, page 467, which is metric units of length. From this lesson, I want you to know something. This box, you are going to see it here, is going to be my feedback for every things in this lesson. Okay, I wanted to read it for you, so bring your book and stay with me. Metric units of length. Okay, 1 centimeters equals to 10 millimeters. Okay, 1 decimeters, I don't want you to know it. Anything R related to decimeter, I don't want you to solve it or to know it. Okay, I just want you to follow me. Here's 1 meter. 1 meter. Here's I'm going to see again decimeters. I don't want you to solve it. Here 1 meter equal 100 centimeters. Okay, 1 meter equal 1000 millimeters. This you are going to copy it in your brain as it. I want you to copy it in your brain. Okay, let's go back and know what he wants from me. Okay, here let us start to solve. Then we are going to know everything about this lesson. Sherancho, he wants to complete 2 meters equals to what centimeters? He wants from me here in this question to convert the units meters to centimeters. Okay, so it's easy. In this step, I'm going to see that I have 1 meter equal to 100 centimeters. Okay, centimeters, something like this. If I have 2 meters, how many centimeters I will have? Look here, I am going to multiply this with 2 and this with 2. I will have 200 centimeters. Okay, so it's easy peasy. 2, 3 centimeters, millimeters. Look, teacher, 1 centimeters. Look here, 1 centimeters equal to 10 milliliters. So I'm going to write down 1 centimeters equal to 10 millimeters. Okay, if I have a 3, multiply this with a 3 with this number and this with a 3, I'm going to have 30 millimeters here. Number 3, I have decimeters. I don't want you to solve it. Okay, let's go to number 4. He wants from me to compare using bigger than, smaller than, or equal. Teacher, I cannot compare. Can I compare clock with table? But time of the clock with time of my table? No. If I want to compare, I will make all of the units are the same. Look here, I have meters, I have decimeters. I don't want you to solve it. Come here to number 5. 5 centimeters, 5 millimeters. Okay, I want you to make the units the same. So it's up to you. You are going to solve, to do the to convert the centimeters to millimeters or convert the millimeters to centimeters. But I'm preferring to convert the centimeters to millimeters. How I can convert it? I have 1 centimeter equal to 10 millimeter. Okay, multiply this with 5, I will have, and this with 5, I will have 50 millimeters, sorry. Okay, so who is bigger? 50. Now look here, now I have millimeters, here is millimeters. Then I'm going to compare who is bigger, 50 or 5. It's 50, so I'm going to put it this as it. Okay, Here's decimeters. I don't want you to solve it. Number 7, 7 meters, 700 millimeters. I'm going to this one. That will give me 1 meter equal 1000 millimeters. Okay, 7 meters. I have 1 meter, give me 1000 of millimeters. Okay, millimeters. I want to convert the meters to millimeters. How? Multiply this with 7 and this with 7. I will have 7000 millimeters, and here I have 700. Who's bigger, 7000 or 700? 7000 bigger. Okay, so from this question I want you to make all the units the same. Okay, then I am going to compare or add or do whatever I want from mathematics things. Describe the length in meters. Write your answer as a fraction and as a decimal. 65 centimeters. He wants from me to convert the 65 centimeters to meter. Look, teacher, every time from before I have convert from the biggest to smallest. If I want to convert, who is bigger, centimeter or milliliter? Centimeter. Who is bigger, 1 meter or centimeters? No, 1 meter. So I always before compare the from biggest to smallest. If I want to compare from biggest to smallest, I will multiply. Okay, but right now I'm going to divide. Why? Because I'm converting from the smallest to biggest, and the centimeters, forget about this number, I'm talking about units. Okay, centimeters is smaller than meter. Okay, centimeter it's smaller than meter, it's apart from meters. Okay, so I am going to convert from smallest to biggest. If I want to convert from smallest to biggest, I will divide over what? Over the same numbers. Look here, 65. Okay, my number here is 65. If I go to this box, I will find that 1 meter equal 100 centimeters. So it's going to be over 100. If I want to write this as decimal point, 0, because I don't have any whole number. Okay, and 2 zeros, I will have 2 digits. Up I have 2 digits, so it's going to be 65. Okay, and that's it. Number 9. Again, look, centimeter, meter. Who is bigger? Meter. I want to convert from centimeter to meter. I will divide. If I want to divide, I'm going to see that centimeters and meters are, the number between them is 100. So over 100, and my number here is 47. So I will have 0.47. Okay. This is decimeters, I don't want you to know it, and this is decimeter, I don't want you to know it. I want to give you an extra. So if I have 100, no, let's say 9 millimeters, I want to convert it to 1, Allahumma salli ala Sayyidina Muhammad, to centimeter. Okay, centimeter. Who's bigger, milli or centi? Centi. So I will convert it from smaller to bigger. If I want to convert it from smaller to bigger, I will divide. Again, smaller to bigger, divide. Smaller to bigger, divide. Okay, bigger to smaller, multiple. Okay, so I'm going back to this 9 millimeter. I will see up that I have centimeters and meters, the number between them is 10. So I'm going to put 10 down, and my number here is 9. I want to write it as decimal point. It's going to be 0.9. This is our lesson today. I hope that you understand everything in it. Best wishes. See you soon.